Good morning, students. Welcome to English class. Today we are going to see When the Trees Walked. Lesson title is When the Trees Walked. Have you seen trees walking? Yeah, we are going to see. This lesson has been given by Ruskin Bond. He is an award winning Indian author of more than 500 books, short stories, essays, and novels he has written. He writes poetry and books for children as well as adults. He lives with his adopted family in Landour in Mussoorie, India. He was awarded the Padma Shri in 1999 and Padma Bhushan in 2014. In this lesson, Ruskin Bond was a small boy. He feels lonely while he was sitting in the garden. As soon as when his grandfather joined him, that garden became a happy place for him. Why? Because his grandfather had served many years in the Indian Forest Service, and it was natural that he should like trees and know more about the trees. On his retirement, he built a bungalow on the outskirts of Dehradun, planting trees all around like lime, mango, orange and guava, also eucalyptus, jacaranda and Persian lilacs. These are the trees his grandfather planted in their garden, and he was taking care of those trees. See the picture? Ruskin Bond was sitting lonely and very sad. His grandfather served in the Indian Forest Service, where his bungalow is located in the outskirts of the Dehradun. See, even the creepers likes his grandfather. There were other trees in the compound before the house was built, including an old peepal tree that had forced its way through the walls of the abandoned house. See, knocking the bricks down with its vigorous growth, peepal tree are great show-offs. Even when there is no breeze, the broad-chested, slim-waisted leaves will spin like tops determined to attract your attention and invite you into the shade. Here, grandmother doesn't want the peepal tree and she wanted to cut down. But grandfather had said, let it be. We can always build another outhouse. Though it is destroying completely the outhouse, grandfather wanted the peepal tree to be there for a long time. The peepal tree is completely destroying the compound wall. See, this is the peepal tree. But grandmother was interested in flowers. She used to see here, her complete interest resides in flowers. Grandfather also sometimes he will help grandmother in cutting the stems and planting it in another place, like that. Why he is helping means he is willing to invite the butterflies. What is the way to invite the butterflies? Grandmother didn't mind trees, but she preferred growing flowers and was constantly ordering catalogs and seeds. She is ordering the floral catalogs and seeds. Grandfather helped her out with the gardening not because he was crazy about flower gardens, but because he liked watching butterflies, and there is the one way to attract butterflies is, he said, that is to grow flowers for them. So that is the only way to attract. See the butterfly, beauty of the butterfly sitting in a flower. Whenever a flower is there, definitely a butterfly will come, isn't it? Yeah. See how many butterflies, colorful butterflies. Grandfather was not content with growing trees in our compound. During rains, he would walk into the jungle beyond the river bed, armed with cuttings and saplings, which he would plant in the forest. Here, grandfather is carrying cuttings and saplings in his hand, and he is going to plant in the forest. But no one ever comes here. I had protested. The first time we did this, who is going to see them? Here, Ruskin Bond is shouting at his grandfather, who is going to see that you are planting saplings? So, Ruskin Bond is shouting at his grandfather, but his grandfather is saying, we are not planting them for just for shake. See, we are not planting them simply to improve the view, replied grandfather. We are planting them for the forest and for the animals and birds who live here and need more food and shelter. This was the reply given by his Ruskin Bond's grandfather to Ruskin Bond. See, whenever we are planting trees, we have to take care of the trees for a long time. See, that was the advice given by Ruskin Bond's grandfather. One day the trees will multiply, it will walk, like that he is telling. Of course, men need trees to, he added, to keep the desert away. What are the reasons we need forests, no? Trees, no? To attract rain, to prevent the banks of rivers from being washed away, for fruits and flowers, leaf and seed. Yes, for timber too. But men are cutting down trees without replacing them. And if we don't plant a few trees ourselves, a time will come when the world will be one great desert. See, are you able to see the desert? Can you imagine a world full of desert? No. See here, Ruskin Bond's grandfather is teaching him a song. Woodman spare the tree, touch not a single bough. In youth it sheltered me, and I will protect it now. Written by George Morris. This poem has been taught by Ruskin Bond's grandfather to Ruskin Bond. See Ruskin Bond and his grandfather. One day the trees will move again, said grandfather. They have been standing still for thousands of years, but there was a time when they could walk about like people. See, here he is mentioning the trees would walk like a people. Then along came an interfering busybody who can spell over them, rooting them to one place. But they are always trying to move. See how they reached out with their arms, and some of them, like the banyan tree with its traveling aerial roots, managed to get quite far. See, here Ruskin Bond and his grandfather, they are finding an island, a small rocky island in a dry riverbed. It was one of those riverbeds so common in the foothills, which are completely dry in summer and flooded during the monsoon rains. Only a small mango tree was growing on the island. His grandfather is thinking, while a small mango tree is growing in this particular place, why can't other trees? So he started planting tamarind, laburnum and coral tree saplings and cuttings, and spent the day planting them on the island. See, this was the island. Now the island has become like this. See, with lot of trees. He planted only few trees. See, then came the Second World War, and Ruskin Bond was sent to a boarding school. But the holidays, Ruskin Bond went to live with his father in Delhi. Meanwhile, his grandparents sold the house and went to England. 2 or 3 years later, Ruskin Bond also went to England to their grandparents. He left away India for several years. See, some years later, Ruskin Bond returned to Degradun. First, he visited his old house. There was no change at all. Then he walked out of town towards the riverbed. It was the month of February. As he looked across the dry watercourse, his eye immediately caught by the coral trees' red blossoms. See, in contrast with the dry riverbed, the island was a green paradise for Ruskin Bond. He noticed squirrels were living in them, and a quail, a crow peasant challenged me with a mellow, "Who are you? Who are you?" Here he is describing in a poetic term the crow and peasant and all challenging him, "Who are you?" like that. See the coral trees leaves, flowers. See, it looks like a green paradise, isn't it? Yeah. Everywhere it looks like a fully trees. The trees had multiplied. He planted 1 or 2 trees, but whereas the trees multiplied both the sides on the way to the riverbed. But the trees seemed to know me. They whispered among themselves and beckoned me. Beckoned means to one of them signaling someone to come nearby. And looking around, I noticed that other smaller trees, wild plants, and grasses had sprung up under their protection. Yes, trees we planted long ago had multiplied. He is accepting that. They were walking again in one small corner of the world. Grandfather's dream had come true. Now he is accepting that his grandfather's dreams had come true. India has more than 17,000 species of flowering plants. Tamil Nadu alone has 5,000 species nearly. The 1/3 of the total flora of India is with Tamil Nadu. Probably it is the highest diversity in India. It has the highest diversity in India. Thus, Ruskin Bond has given this lesson. Thank you, children. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much.